welcome again to my YouTube channel Ramesh Life in another new vlog, another new fresh video. This is the time of 12:30 and I have to make my rice, so that's why I have come here to my kitchen. So this is my kitchen, as you can see. This is very little kitchen. Everything I have here. My cylinder also there, over there, some vegetables, onion, all these things are here, over here, but everything is not TD. But this is my kitchen, and today nowadays I use this induction oven. Through this induction oven I make everything, my food, my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner, everything. But this is also a cylinder gas, but that is not I use, because of here the cost of the cylinder, it is very much high. So that's why I thought I will only use this one. So now I'm gonna make my lunch. So what all I will make, I'm gonna share with you all, guys. So but now, guys, today one thing, that is outside it is very much raining, as you can see in the camera. Outside it's too much raining, and maybe today's weather actually totally overcast, since morning. Yesterday also it has rained, and today also. So I have opened this uh, rice diva, you can say, so rice bottle. So from here I would like to take little bit rice, and this rice is from my village, because of when I used to go to my village, I went to my village. That time I brought all this rice. There is so many rice, as you can see, and I would like to take little bit here. And I have to clean the rice, and after that I will put here in this pot, and after that I will boil in the induction oven. So at first I have to clean. And today also I have this is, I don't know English, you comment on the comment box. And this is potato, and there is only mirchi, chili, you can say. So this is all for today's actually lunch. And I would like to clean through this water tap. So I would like to put here little bit water, and after that I have to clean properly, because there is also some powder. So that's why I have to clean properly, and after that I will put here. Okay, guys. So, and outside till now, guys, it's very much, and I am here today. I have taken my shower at the time of 12 a.m. 12 p.m. sorry. That time I took my shower, and I took my breakfast at the time of 8:30, 9 p.m. 9 a.m. morning time. I took my breakfast, and I am making now my lunch. So I have already told to you that what all today I have. Well, today I have only some vegetable and also rice, or nothing else today I have. So guys, finally I have cleaned the rice here, and now I would like to put here in this pot. Okay, in this pot I have to put, and I have to take a little bit water, and I will put again here. Okay, so it is ready, and also I have to clean all this. So I would like to put here for some time to clean, and so till that time I can put here this pot for boil, because outside it's raining, too much raining. So maybe the electricity will be gone. It can happen, guys, because outside raining. So maybe it can happen. So that load shedding, it can be load shedding. So that's why I have to make as soon as possible my rice, otherwise I can't be able to eat. Okay, guys. So, and now it's too much, guys, just too much. And this is, in our Bengali language we say Corolla. Okay, this is Corolla, and this is potato. You guys all know that this is potato. And this is actually, in our local language we say tita. It is very much what I can say, guys. I am actually Bengali, so I don't know proper English and all these how pronounce, and all these things I don't know. and all the vegetable, all the trees name I don't know, guys. So for that I'm very much sorry to all of you. So now I would like to put here and all this, and this will be for today's lunch, guys. So guys, I have to boil for maybe 20 minutes. 20 minutes have to boil, okay, and after that it will be ready. So I would like to put this here and I have to close, okay. So it will boil for 20 to 25 minutes, and after that again I will come, I will back again here to take to see that it has completed or not. So now I would like to go to my room and I have to study a little bit. And today morning time I I got a book. I got a delivery which is I got from EP Noida. From Noida I got this book. I ordered from Adda 247. From Adda 247 I got this book. This is for 133 rupees, and this is our teacher, English teacher, okay, Sanu Rawat. Sir's name is Sanu Rawat. So this is the book, and from here I can easily clear the exam of SSC GD. So there is all the syllabus. I would like to tell you guys in English language. There is syllabus of synonym, antonyms, one word substitution, idiom and phrases, confusing words, spelling, preposition and phrases. All this for my syllabus for SSC GD. So I'm preparing for SSC GD. So yeah, there is all the synonyms and antonyms. All these are tree method. Very nicely they teaches us. So he actually teaches us. So that's why I thought that I can use Adda 247, and from there I'm learning. So yeah, the style of teaching, it is very nice. So that's why I took a subscription there and I'm studying. And today also I bought this book, and I got this book in my hand some days before. I ordered from there, and today I have. So everything I have to memorize, okay. So guys, this is for today's video, and again I will be back. Again I will be back to you to share my lifestyle. What I will do, and how I live. Everything, how I live, what is my lifestyle, everything I will share with you all. So stay tuned, and if you are new on my channel, then you can subscribe my channel. And yeah, obviously I need your support. So yeah, you guys do support me. I'll be very much thankful to all of you if you will support. So that's all guys for today's video. I'll be back in another new vlog video for you all. So that's all. Tada, bye bye.